Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have editor rights because you need to change layout and add gadgets. Once done, open Sites. Google.com, select the site, and click Edit. Make sure to pick the page or section where the search bar will live. Header and sidebar behave differently for visibility. While in edit mode, enable any experimental or classic features required for the Embed option, because that determines which widgets you can use and how they render on mobile. You now add the actual search element. Open the Insert menu and choose Embed or HTML box. This accepts the programmable search engine code. Then get your CSE snippet from Google, copy the JavaScript or iframe, and paste it into the Embed field. Make sure to set dimensions and alignment so the bar fits responsively. You can preview in desktop and mobile. If you prefer, use a simple iframe for quick setup or the JS snippet for advanced customization like branding and refinements. You finish by publishing the site and testing the search box across devices to confirm behavior and results. If nothing appears, make sure your programmable search engine is active, the site domain is authorized, and any API key or CSE ID matches the embedded code. Once verified, clear your browser cache and reload. Also ensure the site uses HTTPS so mixed content blocks don't prevent scripts. If problems persist, revert to a simple iframe test to isolate whether it's script, permissions, or layout related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.